Hello everybody. I wasn't sure if I wanted to post this, but whatever's happening behind the scenes is way too important not to share. As you know, I've been trying to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers. And I was expected to fund different projects using spare change I had around the house. But something unexpected happened. Someone offered to pay to finish my entire bathroom, all bills paid. As you can tell, we were shocked. And honestly, I didn't know what to say. And to be honest, financially, we've been struggling a little bit for the past couple months. But we had so much faith in God that He was gonna pull us through. This year, I stepped out in faith and wanted to get this channel monetized so that I can give free room makeovers. And it's like God told me, let me do it for you first. So God has came through above and beyond. Let me take you behind the scenes of how it's all going down because it's not finished yet. The next morning, they let us know about the surprise. A crew came to get all the info they needed to execute the plan for this space. It was so quick. I'm actually trying to submit my third video and we gotta leave right now because we gotta go pick up tile. So this is crazy. Want to say anything?
I was just still kind of like shocked, but anyways, gotta go come into Floor and Decor to get tile. It's like a rush thing. And I guess when God moves, it just moves fast. You gotta be in His pace. So let's go. Let's get it done.
I had already been here to look at the tile, and as soon as I saw this tile, I knew this was going to be an option for the restroom. Prior to this, we were trying to save up to get the money we needed to buy everything. But with life, it was getting hard to save. This blessing came in a time God knew was perfect. We walked around to pick options for the shower floor and the bathroom floor. Once we got home, we saw that they had already demoed this doorway that once led to our backyard. This was how it looked before, and here's the after. I'm on my way to go pick up my kids, and these past couple hours have been really emotional for me because I didn't do this so that I could be blessed or so that I could have something in return. I wanted this YouTube channel to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers, not knowing that God was gonna do it for me. So I'm just so grateful to God. And I think this is like, I was telling my husband yesterday, this is why I'm doing this. Because I want to be able to do this for somebody else. Especially when times are hard. You know? And I can't do much, but I can decorate a room. And so using my talent to help other people is what I want to do with this. So if you're subscribed, thank you. And I hope that I'm able to get this monetized sooner rather than later, because how can I not share this? How can I not share a gift that God has given me with others? So I'm excited about the future. The next day, someone came to finish the tape and float on the walls. They even offered to fix a crack that we had in our living room, which was such a blessing. Once he was finished, I caught Frank praying for him and sending him off with a blessing for blessing us with the work he did in our house. It's really bright out here, but I am at Lowe's looking for the vanity. It's been a weird experience because I usually like save up and do what I gotta do when it comes to what I want, and no one's ever offered to buy me anything. So this is like kind of weird because I don't want to like go over I don't know what their budget is, but like I don't want to go over their budget. But I kind of like, what do? Like, do I get what I want? Or do I just get something that just passed right now? But let's go into Lowe's and see what we find. There were so many options, so I'm going to try to find one that will go with the design of the bathroom. Since this was all of a sudden, I had to try and hurry up and pick everything I was going to use in the bathroom. Once I got home, guys were here priming the walls and getting everything ready to paint. I was confused when he started painting my walls with this color, but he said he likes to use this primer because he's able to see if he missed any spots on the wall. As a bonus, they offered to paint these cabinets that I was going to paint myself, but they told me they could get it done so much quicker by spraying the doors. So Martin primed the doors and prepped them to get sprayed. I went into this YouTube journey with a lot of hope and faith that we were going to be able to get all this work done. But honestly, I didn't even know how I was going to get this bathroom done. All I can say is God is so good. We're back at Floor & Decor because the tile people are currently at my house right now, and they said that the tile that I picked was too big for the space, so I had to come back and get a different kind of tile.
Apparently the tile she picked was like too big for the space that we're trying to put it in. It's a small shower. It was going to be harder to work in. So, but I really like this style.
I think this new design, I think, is going to be even better. So hopefully it comes back. While I was out picking the new design, the guys were at my house installing all the cement board, sealing everything, and getting it ready for the tile install. The painter gave my whole living room a brand new paint job, and so it looks nice and perfect. That crack on the ceiling, where? No, it was never there, and it looks so good. The next day, we went back to Floor & Decor because we received the devastating news that the tile I picked the previous day was out of stock. So I picked a whole new design, and it's going to look great. If you're following this journey, subscribe. I'm documenting every step of trying to get monetized so that we can give free room makeovers. With a whole new tile choice, I had to modify everything else that was going into the restroom to accommodate the new design. Nelson came early the next morning to start laying out the tile. They will be laying the tile vertically to give the shower some visual interest. Since the room is obviously not done yet, the reveal will be its own video. But trust me, it's going to be worth the wait. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.